This is low-carbon steel gas pipe. We are installing the pipe from the gas cylinder to the gas filling valve. First, straighten the low-carbon steel pipe to a length enough to pass from the rear trunk to the engine compartment. Put the pipe through the engine compartment to the bottom of the car. Lift the car and pull the gas pipe to the rear trunk of the car. To prevent the wear of the low-carbon steel pipe, its installation route should better be along the original car's brake pipe or oil pipe. Shape the low-carbon steel pipe according to the chassis of the car, and fix it with pipe clips and self-tapping screws. We can also add cable tie to fix the pipe more firmly. Wrap the low-carbon steel pipe in the engine compartment with a corrugated pipe. Connect the pipe onto the gas inlet of the filling valve with ferrule and nut. Test if it fits in. Then unscrew the low-carbon steel pipe. We can stick PTFE tape to the pipe connection interfaces to better prevent air leakage. For more information, please contact us.